Oh, nice and juicy.
Yeah, well done.
That's what good pussy sounds like, everyone. Tidy your old plates. Do they look stupid? Get them out of here. UMR plates. Go check them out. They do all sorts of designs, all sorts of styles, all sorts of sizes. And that's not all. Come with me. They also make show plates. Go check them out. Links in the description. And yeah, go do some buying. ZG15 for 15% off, free shipping, and sticky pads. Video number 2 of the day. Now I'm back home. Welcome back to a new video. We are working on the Swift again. So this is a bit of car show prep, and we're sorting out a couple of teething issues as well with the new engine. So let's crack in. Right, so we are getting a P0401 code, which is for the EGR valve, which is somewhere behind this, like, I can't remember the name of it. It's down here. No, because that's the airbox. That's the reducery thingy. I don't know, I can't remember. It's down there somewhere. So we need to remove the airbox, get all that out of the way, and then get to the EGR valve. Right, so there's the airbox out of the way, and this is the EGR valve down here. It's literally just 10mm bolts to get it off. So we're going to get it off, clean it up, make sure everything's all good, and wonder why the fuck it's throwing an engine management light. But that is the only code that's popping up at the moment, is for that. So let's get it off and see what it looks like. So that is your EGR valve. Very simple, basic little unit. And is it broken? What are we looking for?
You can't really see much from this one. Just on normal EGRs, you have a valve. You could push them up and down to see if they were seized, but you can't see fuck all. I guess if you want to undo these and strip it apart more, it's up to you, Daddy.
Yeah, can do that. Can do that. See what's inside, see what's dirty or whatever. Then, yeah, we'll open her up, Buttercup. Right, so...
Oh, God.
we can't get the sensor bit off the top because the screws just want to round. So what we're going to do is we're going to sit it in a solution, in a magic bowl. So the solution we're using is a brake and clutch cleaner. So we're literally just going to tip a load in, and he's going to spray it up in there as well. And we're just going to see what shit falls out of it, really. So, oh, nice and juicy.
Yeah, well done.
That's what good pussy sounds like, everyone.
Something for the youngers on your channel.
It makes a funny sound.
Of course it does. I need a little pick or something.
Don't know if I've got a little pick. I've got a little prick. But I don't have a little pick. Are we going to put some of that in there as well, or?
You can fill it.
Yeah.
Like.
Sweet. Right, so see that's where the EGR sat. I guess we'll look at that in a minute. But we've got the EGR valve soaking in the bowl of solution. The next thing we need to do is sort out this god awful headlight beam.
Cereal.
Bowl of, I didn't say bowl of cereal.
I know you didn't.
Because literally it is atrocious.
That's how far I can see in front of me when I'm driving.
I'll save the video that I sent to Brad and you can see how bad it is. So I'll insert that now. Go on. Alright, so this is how we're doing an eyeball alignment. So the very top line you can see there, this one down here needs to match that. So we're not too far off now. Brad has been going at it for quite a while though. So that's
30 seconds.
Shh, trying to make it look like you do hard work.
Oh, yeah,
Brad is a very hard worker. So
half hour I've been at this.
yeah, exactly, you see? And look. But yeah, no, because it was practically pointing at the floor. So yeah, fingers crossed we can get it to where it needs to sit. and Chloe can actually see stuff when she drives to work now. And then we'll jump back to that, and then I'll show you the last bit of car show prep we're doing. So the second thing that we needed to, third thing we needed to look at was the reverse light switch. We don't know if it's failed or whether it just wasn't done up properly. We've just tightened it and tried it, and it didn't work still. So Brad's gone and tightened it a little more. So we can try that again, I think.
I think it'll be fucked.
You reckon?
Yeah. Oh, let's plug the can in.
It don't have a particular way round it needs to plug, does it?
No.
Or will it only plug one way?
Only plug one way.
Oh, okay.
In this case, I'm plug in anyway.
The pushy tab bit goes to what? There we are. Right. Reverse lights. Come on. Reverse lights. I ain't got all night. I'm hungry. And I've got a video to edit. Oh, getting attacked by a big yellow dildo. Will it work this time? Yay! We got life. Yeah, it works. All good. Right, that's another fix done.
Awesome!
Now, how's the EGR valve looking?
That's alright.
Yeah?
I'd just be nice if we could take that off so I can actually move the valve.
Yeah.
But I can't, so that's about it.
Alright, so
That
is grim. So, what are we doing then? Are we going to quickly clean these pipes up and then button it up?
No,
Or
you're going to make a gasket.
gonna make a gasket?
Yeah.
I don't know how to make a gasket.
Oh, where we go?
No, I'm joking, I do. So yeah, we're gonna make a paper gasket out of, well, paper, obviously. Cardboard, paper, card paper as Brad calls it. And yeah, we're gonna slap it back together. Oh wow, that has got very dark. Torch lady. Hurry up. Torch lady. Come on, torch lady.
She's preparing for Sunday.
Oh yeah. So the EGR valve is back on, and now Brad's putting the airbags. What the fuck is an airbag?
Airbox back on.
Just
That's
trying
the
to
one.
unconnect it, that's all.
Shut up. So yeah, that's going back on. Then we need to do shit up and put shit places and just shit on everything.
Yes.
Yes.
I just cannot get it to unconnect.
You're never gonna let that go, are you?
Nope.
Alright, so that's that on. We need to hook the math back up and do that screw up. So yeah, there ain't really very much to see because for some reason it's got very dark very fast.
Because it's coming into winter.
Wow, weather lady over here.
You said for some reason it's got very dark very quickly.
Well, because like 30 seconds ago I could film and see what I was filming.
Don't argue on camera.
Sorry, solicitor. So yeah, that's all going back together. Then we need to do the Jubilee clip up where Brad's hand is. Put the bolts back on for the airbox and all that jazz.
All that jazz.
All that jazz.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and all that good jazz.
See you in the next one.
Right, we need to not crush this vacuum line down here. Not that you can really see anything, but there is a vacuum line that goes into the fucking thingy madoofy down here. So I'm gonna unsalt that. There we go. And yeah, now that can all go back together. So I don't know how much more I can film, if I can film anything, but once this is all back together, I'll show you what the last task is. Into this ASMR. Oh wait, it's not going to do it now. So yeah, basically we're now rolling the arches on the back because even though we've
the proper way.
Yeah, I ain't getting them.
even though we've done questionable stuff to prevent rubbing, it's still rubbing a bit. So now we're doing questionable methods of questionably rolling arches. But fuck it, it's a £300 shitter, what do you expect? So yeah, we're not using a roller thingy, we're using extensions from a socket set. But let's see if we can get a nice ASMR going, shall we? Go on, where's it? Here we are. Oh, crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. Oh.
Oh dear.
Gotta love a bit of crunch.
So far, I'm only finding one tyre for about 30 quid.
Yes.
That's about average. Yeah, we are going to actually order, that's a good point that Chloe's actually said that. We are going to order smaller profile tyres for this to obviously prolong the life of it, not rubbing. I can't. I can't England tonight. So yeah, we are going to buy different profile tyres, but at the moment this is what we need to do. So yeah, this is the last like show prep, I guess. And
What
then
I want is to get this big fucker in it and then drive it.
well, just force it up there. Go on. No, don't just force it up there.
But buy paintwork.
I'm so glad I have a kit on.
Yeah, but it's if the kit pops off.
The kit, you ain't got no. No, you do.
Oh, listen
So
to.
not looking forward to try and take. I don't think I'm ever going to want to take that kit off.
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't.
Crunchy nut clusters, Daddy. Anyway, yeah, this is going to be the last thing that we're doing. We're going to roll the arches, and then that should be this car ready, minus a wash.
Should have a bath Saturday.
And then with my car, I'm going to take it to a car show broken because fuck the police. That's why. Anyway, once this is all done, I'll probably outro the video. Right, so I'm back indoors now. It ended up getting pitch black after I stopped recording that last clip, but the arches are rolled both sides. So the car, fingers crossed, should ride better. We did take it quickly around the block and it seems to be a big improvement already. So we just got to see how it does on like longer drives and stuff like that. But yeah, no, everything is all done. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll catch you guys soon in the next one.